$5. Okay, I'm going to. Hi, Simone. Hi, guys.
Hey, y'all. What it do? What it do is Squad. What's up, y'all? As you can see, your girl is late, of course, right? Okay, y'all. Let me start the vlog like that. What it do, guys? This is your girl E checking in. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe to us, give us a like, comment down, and share to the world. Okay, share our video, you guys. As you can see, we're just now gonna put up our tree. Okay, it's never too late. Okay, it's still December and today's like the 4th or 5th, whatever it is, but whatever it is, right? But we're just not gonna put up our tree, y'all. You know, Kalia sitting here trying to correct me. You feel me? But who cares? We're gonna put up a tree either way. Okay, Missy? But yeah, you guys, be sure if you're new to comment, like, subscribe, and share the video, you guys. And give a girl a big like. Okay? And yeah, let's get started. And welcome back to all my babies. All right, y'all. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see.
Hey, we gotta get started. We gotta get started.
I don't know.
Maybe, I think so.
Hold on, y'all. We're gonna make it work. But right now, let's start.
The tree was very small, but it's $5. Hi guys. What did you do? Wait, talk. Hi guys, what did you do? Let's get a vlog. Okay, let's talk to you. And today, I'm smiling.
We're gonna start with this. Okay. I'm gonna put this here. And we're gonna.
What bubble wrap? What bubble wrap? That's the Cheerios. That's for Cheerios.
Okay, let me show them.
Let me show them the doctor. Let me show them the Cheerios they have.
Move, y'all. This is some of the stuff on the floor. Excuse me, Missy. Move. Okay, I'm just trying to show you guys some of our Christmas tree decoration right here.
Ooh, I scared you. Oh, there's the candy canes.
No, that's not.
Here's the name down here, me Johnny. La 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 la. He's the reason, he's a Polly. Yeah, la 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 la. He's a Polly, good. La 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 la.
Alright, y'all.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah, the skirt.
Yes, skirt, skirt. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Like this, like skirt, skirt, skirt. Hi. Like skirt, skirt.
Don't come on. You did that last year.
Skirt,
So,
skirt, skirt.
let me see if I should lower this.
Skirt, skirt, skirt.
Oops. How do I? Hold on.
Now we can see. We're going to recording like $5. No,
Trying to lower that, y'all. I don't got all day. I don't got all day. Okay.
Hi, music. You might take one.
Wait a minute. Do 3 go? Oh. No, I forgot how to go. Can you guys see me?
That's the very top.
No, nah.
Yeah,
It's
there's
one.
nothing to go for. The button! Nothing
Oh,
to
okay.
So you start with one.
Alright.
That's the Christmas tree. Oh my god! There's a weather, guys!
Kanye,
Tiny city! Watch! Watch! You my kangaroo, you my Sunday, you my honey. My, okay, here's your stuff in yours.
Your family, hey. Y'all hold hands and pray. When you get daughters, always keep them safe. Watch out for vipers. Don't let them indoctrinate. Close on Sunday,
hey. You my Chick-fil-A, hey.
You're my number.
Look on my song. Hey, hey, hey.
Switch your
Attitude.
Go and level all yourself. This that different latitude. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Everything we need. Ooh, 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 ooh. We have everything we need. Ooh, 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 ooh. We have everything we need. You gon' do what Adam do, or say, baby, let's put this back on the tree. 'Cause we have everything we need. Ooh, ooh, let's go beside. Tell the whole world There's something I know.
I tried.
This is what I have. Let me show you guys the tree. Okay. Get down, baby. Okay, so far this is what I did. No star yet. That's what we did. Okay, yep, and you. But you guys, should I keep, oh, over there to the right, this is all Samaya toys that okay, but let me know, do you guys like the turquoise, or should I, let me show you guys. No, not yet. This is the color, the theme that I am going for right here. But I think I'm gonna still keep the blue. Who cares?
Wait, my turn.
I'm gonna. And I also ordered this from Amazon, y'all. I'm just not opening it. Do you guys think it's a match? Like, I don't know. Comment down below, you guys. It's like a blush. Hey y'all, the whole time the camera was zoomed in and I didn't even realize that. So guys, please forgive me, okay? So yeah, you guys, I am gonna have a better clip somewhere in the video, okay? But remember, when you're watching this part, the camera was zoomed in on a lot of parts. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know, don't come for me. All right, okay. All right, y'all, continue watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, boo. All right, give me a like, comment down below. Alright y'all, I am done for right now. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and share the video, you guys. As you can see, your girl still have a lot more to do. If you want to see the second part of me decorating my table, be sure to subscribe and come back, and don't forget to put God first. And love y'all. Bye.